Today let us see how to use the concatenate function. Concatenate function is used to join information in two or more cells together. Let us see an example how this concatenate works. Here in this example you see here the name John and Bell. We are going to concatenate two of these names together. For example, we need to get the output to appear in one cell like John Bell. We need an output like this. So how to concatenate? There is a function called concatenate. Open the bracket. Select this text that you need to appear first, comma. Use a space between the comma and the next text that you need to appear after that. So you get it. So not only you can concatenate two, you can also concatenate more than two.